Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 1033, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 1033? What's the symbolism of 1033? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 1033 mean for love? What does 1033 mean for twin flames? What does 1033 for manifestation? How does angel number 1033 affect finances? What does 1033 mean for former relationships? How does 1033 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 1033? What are the weaknesses of angel number 1033? What's the meaning of angel number 1033? Angel number 1033 signifies encouragement from your angels to trust in your abilities and follow your soul's mission with confidence. The number 1 brings new beginnings and motivation, 0 represents divine potential and spiritual growth, and 3, appearing twice, emphasizes creativity, communication, and support from the ascended masters. This number indicates that you are never alone on your journey. Divine forces are guiding and uplifting you. It encourages you to remain positive and courageous as you pursue your dreams. Trust that your thoughts and actions are manifesting meaningful changes aligned with your highest good and soul purpose. What's the symbolism of angel number 1033? The symbolism of 1033 reflects growth, divine communication, and self-expression. Number 1 symbolizes new beginnings and initiative. 0 stands for divine support and potential. The double threes are associated with creativity, optimism, and guidance from the ascended masters. Together, they symbolize a strong connection to spiritual guides and an invitation to express your true self with confidence. 1033 also symbolizes transformation through inspiration and spiritual insight. It's a reminder to trust your inner voice and stay aligned with your spiritual path. This number encourages embracing joy and positivity while using your talents to serve your purpose and uplift others. What is the angel number 1033 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 1033 holds powerful energy for awakening, divine support, and enlightenment. It indicates that the ascended masters are close, helping you stay focused on your spiritual goals. This number urges you to release fears and focus on your soul's mission with optimism. The appearance of 0 amplifies the energies around it, while 3 appearing twice emphasizes spiritual communication and divine creativity. It suggests your intuition is heightening and you're being supported to grow spiritually. 1033 is a reminder to meditate, pray, and embrace spiritual practices that deepen your connection to the divine and expand your consciousness. What does angel number 1033 mean for love? In love, angel number 1033 suggests emotional growth, open communication, and deepening connections. If you're in a relationship, it encourages joy, trust, and expressing affection freely. The influence of double threes points to shared creativity and a strong emotional bond. For singles, it signals that love may enter your life through self-expression and optimism. This number encourages vulnerability, authentic dialogue, and spiritual harmony in romantic relationship. You are being asked to let go of past insecurities and embrace love fearlessly. Trust that divine timing is at play, and loving relationships will flourish when rooted in joy and mutual understanding. What does angel number 1033 mean for twin flames? Angel number 1033 holds deep significance for twin flames, indicating a time of spiritual alignment and emotional communication. The repeated threes emphasize shared growth, divine support, and spiritual synchronicity, suggesting both twin flames are being guided to evolve and unite. If you're in separation, 1033 may be a sign that healing and reunion are approaching. This number encourages trust in divine timing and reinforces that challenges are part of your soul's growth. It reminds both individuals to express love honestly and to align spiritually. The twin flame journey under 1033 is about awakening, joy, and divine partnership coming into harmony. What does angel number 1033 for manifestation? Angel number 1033 is a powerful sign for manifestation, urging you to focus on joy, clarity, and creativity. Your thoughts are quickly taking form, especially when aligned with your spiritual path. The presence of threes suggests that your creative ideas and optimistic energy can shape reality. Number 0 amplifies these vibrations, while 1 brings the motivation to begin. This number tells you to release doubts and stay focused on what you truly want. By visualizing positive outcomes and trusting your intuition, you align with the universe's flow. 1033 assures you that divine forces are helping you manifest your desires. How does angel number 1033 affect finances? Angel number 1033 suggests that financial growth is supported through creative ideas and spiritual alignment. It indicates a need for optimism and trust in your financial journey. The threes highlight talents that can lead to income, especially through communication, artistry, or inspired thinking. Number 1 brings ambition and new opportunities, while 0 supports spiritual guidance in financial matters. 1033 encourages you to take proactive steps while trusting divine timing. If you've faced money challenges, this number reassures you that abundance is possible through faith, gratitude, and innovative action. Stay open to unconventional ideas. They may lead to unexpected financial breakthroughs. What does angel number 1033 mean for former relationships? Angel number 1033 encourages reflection, forgiveness, and emotional clarity regarding past relationships. It reminds you to release resentment and learn from past experiences without letting them define your present. The repeating threes suggest healing through communication and creativity, while 1 and 0 emphasize moving forward with a renewed sense of self. This number urges you to view former relationships as stepping stones toward personal growth. Whether reconciliation or closure is needed, 1033 supports emotional maturity and understanding. You're being called to let go of emotional baggage and make room for relationships that support your joy, authenticity, and spiritual growth. How does angel number 1033 guide your work life? In work and career, angel number 1033 signals a period of creative expansion and inspired leadership. The number urges you to pursue professional paths that align with your passion. If you've been feeling stuck, 1033 invites you to explore new directions, especially ones involving creative talents or soul-centered work. Trust your instincts and be open to opportunities that bring fulfillment. The universe is guiding you to align your career with your true self, leading to success and satisfaction. What are the strengths of angel number 1033? Angel number 1033's strengths include creativity, spiritual awareness, self-expression, and resilience. Those influenced by this number are often optimistic, communicative, and capable of uplifting others through their words and ideas. The strong presence of the number 3 makes them natural teachers, artists, or motivators. They have a deep connection with divine guidance and often serve as spiritual beacons for others. Their intuitive and innovative energy allows them to navigate life's challenges with faith and clarity. With a natural ability to manifest and inspire, they thrive when using their gifts to create joy, healing, and meaningful transformation in the world. What are the weaknesses of angel number 1033? Weaknesses of angel number 1033 can include overthinking, emotional sensitivity, or a tendency to become distracted or scattered. The powerful energy of the double threes may lead to inconsistency if not grounded. Individuals may also struggle with self-doubt or seek external validation due to their empathic and expressive nature. While deeply spiritual, they might sometimes avoid practical concerns or resist structure. Additionally, fear of failure or rejection may cause them to suppress their voice or creativity. 1033 encourages them to balance inspiration with action and to trust in their worth without relying excessively on external reassurance or outcomes.